Do you dream of having juicy homegrown vegetables and fruits? Do you want to consume only your natural products without worrying about their origin? Or maybe you just want to discover a new hobby and start growing your food? Today, we'll share 5 incredibly useful life hacks for growing vegetables and fruits. Get to know the information about a certain variety hybrid and see what experienced gardeners say about them. Consider the size of your land plot for growing. If you have little space, choose compact crops that do not take up much space. If you have a large plot for growing, you can choose any vegetables and fruits. Do not forget about the ripening time. How long do you want to wait for a bountiful harvest? Some crops mature faster than others. Temperature is one of the most important factors affecting plant growth and development. Each plant species has an optimal temperature for germination, vegetation, and fruiting. Low temperatures can slow down or stop plant growth, while high temperatures can lead to plant dehydration. Both low and high temperatures can kill the plant. Water is necessary for photosynthesis, nutrient transport, cell sugar maintenance, and temperature regulation. Monitor the weather forecast and take measures to protect plants from drought and excessive moisture. Water the plants and provide good drainage. Before starting soil preparation, it is recommended to conduct its analysis to determine its pH, nutrient content, and other parameters. Clean the soil from debris, remove weeds, and bring the area to order. Apply the necessary fertilizers, following the recommended depths and planting scheme. Fertilizers are divided into macro, micro, and meso elements. By the way, we have a video on this topic. Apply fertilizers to the soil before sowing, planting, or during vegetation. Carefully read the instructions. Do not use fertilizers and plant protection products that have expired. Wonder fertilizers will help to provide the necessary nutrients for any element during the entire growing period. You can learn more about our fertilizers by following the link in the video description. These tips will help you to delve a little deeper into the agricultural niche and avoid common mistakes at the initial stages. Share this information with your friends. Support our content with likes and comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss us. See you soon!